will be telling me the question number. I have to see the. I have your some pages which your father sent me, I think. So.
Yeah, but
So,
that's
anyways.
just to get an idea of the questions. But
Okay,
I
you have.
have some other questions here.
Oh, fine. Anyways, doesn't matter. So, yeah. So, you would like
Okay.
you will be writing the questions, or my point is how will we move ahead? Will we you will write the question, or how?
Okay, yeah, I can write the question.
That will be comfortable better, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Just one second. Hmm. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'll stop the sharing. I'll give you the screen. You can write on the screen. Yeah.
Can't write.
Yeah.
Okay. So the question is 5x plus 8. Okay, so these aren't really like doubts, but I just want to go through the questions.
Okay. Yeah. So you are
Yeah.
intelligent. There will be nothing as doubt for you. Okay.
Yeah.
So 5x. I think you can also solve it. But anyways. So 5x equals. Is it 2 plus 17?
Yes.
Okay. Let us understand the concept. The concept is that we have to find out the value of variable x. There are two things: constant and variable. So you know that constant means which does not change, and variable means which changes. So numbers are constant, and x, y, z is a variable. Okay, or numbers are constant, and anything between a to z is a variable. Any letter. So here x is a variable, and generally in all the questions, in mathematics you need to find out the value of variable. You have to find out what is the value of x. So how do we do it?
Yeah.
That comes the second part of the question. So how do we do it is the simple. It takes variable on one side and all the numbers on the other side. So I'll take all the numbers on the other side. So 2 plus 17 minus 8. So it becomes 19 minus 8, 11. So 5x equals to 11. So x equals to 11 by 5. Now here is the thing that sometimes students get maybe afraid, kind of. They expect the answer to be a very good answer, very beautiful answer. Sometimes it's not necessary. The answer can be in this form also. Okay.
Okay.
Even if you can write, I don't know if they want you to write in decimal, you can write in decimal form or fraction form. Both you can write, whichever they want, they can take. So 5 to the 10. Again, one remaining.
No, we
You put it.
haven't done questions yet that are with these answers. This is the first one I'm seeing. So I'm just seeing if there's anything I missed. That's why we don't do those type of questions. It's 2x. That's why.
Oh.
There was something wrong. Yeah.
Okay then. Okay, then it's okay. The concept remains same. Takes the variable on one side and takes the constant on other side. (17 minus 8). Any now one more thing. Sorry, it's not 18. It's 8. There's one more thing you need to know. Why I wrote it minus 8? It was plus 8. When it goes there, it becomes minus 8. It was plus 2x when it comes.
You want to take it away from the left side, so you have to do the same thing to the right side.
Whenever you take something from right to left or left to right, the sign changes. The plus will become minus. Minus will become plus, multiply will become divide, divide will become multiply. Okay, like for example, if I give you one example, let's say x upon 5 equals to 7. Now this 5 is in the denominator, it is in the divide. When it goes there, it will become in multiply. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's easy. Now let's continue the question. 3x equals to 9, x equals to 3. That's it.
Okay.
Chapter over. I think now you can solve any question on this chapter.
Yeah.
You can try if you want right now. Okay, let's go to the next. You would like to try some? Or you'll go to the next?
Wait, let me just find the question. Okay, I found another one. So,
Yeah. Write it here on the next
Yeah.
page.
Okay, so, I can't write. I can't write. Can you
Yeah,
repeat
oh,
that?
yeah, one second. Oh, sorry.
Yeah. It's a similar type of question. It's minus b. What is it? Equal to 2x plus 9.
So,
Yeah, so that's the question.
okay. First of all, we have a 1.5 hour class today. That's right?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
Yeah, and because I need to study extra for my math. I
okay.
have a
Uh,
math test tomorrow.
yeah, that's okay. So that's good. So yeah, you can try it out. I think you can only do your intelligent, very intelligent. So you can do this on
Okay, so can I just do it in my book first
whatever.
and then
I'm
do it on computer? Yeah, so
yeah, whatever you want. Yeah.
okay, so 10 it makes to be 10x minus 2x equal to 29. Okay, so 8x 32 x is equal. Was that correct?
Hmm. One second. Yeah. Correct. Good. Yeah. Anything else?
Okay, so I've got a different type of question now.
Mm-hmm.
A minute. I'm just gonna write it in my.
You can delete and write on the same page.
Yes. So, okay, so uh, this is a different type of question. This is you have to form your own equation and then find the value of x. Here's x and 4. Um,
So it's very easy. So what do you
yeah,
think?
you have to form your own equation and then solve
Yeah,
or find out what x is.
yeah.
So
So what?
24
Yeah.
plus x um equal to 2x plus 14. So
Yes, very good, wonderful.
I'm just writing this in a book. Okay, so what you would do is 24 minus 14 equal to 2x plus 10 to x. Is that correct?
Hmm. Yeah, 1 second. It's perfect.
Okay. Like, do you have any questions with you or something? Just
Yeah,
maybe I can try them.
same type. Same type.
Yeah, same time.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
I'll
Some
just
equation question.
relations. Okay. Okay. I have many questions. Now you can see the screen.
Um, yes, I can.
Okay. Um, of course, in every question you have to find x.
Yeah, for equation questions, we're only like in our class, we're only doing those type like find the value of x.
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, so should I solve these questions?
Yeah.
Okay. Um, so the first one, x equal to 10, right?
Mm, um, yeah, correct.
Mm.
How was your previous test? Earlier also you had a test, right?
Um, yeah, that went actually pretty well. I didn't get one half a question wrong,
Oh, good.
but
So,
I got a bit confused. I don't know if no, I don't have the test. Wait, maybe I do.
okay. So, are you the first ranker in your class, or there are some more students ahead of you?
There are some more students ahead of
Okay.
me.
Okay. So, what we can do is, um, uh, one option is, after just these questions, we can come to the. I got some pages. Your father sent me the photos of your textbook. We can do the questions of your textbook one more time. We'll go through the questions.
Okay,
That will be more
okay,
relevant
that's
because
fine.
80% of the questions comes from the textbook, wherever, whichever country. It's the general trend.
Yeah.
So, what do you feel in your in your school?
Yes, let's do the book, and let's do the earlier chapters because I haven't done those in a while.
Okay.
Or before we move on to the book, I had a question I needed a little help with after I'm done with these.
Yeah. And okay. And yeah, do they give you questions outside the book as well?
Uh, they'll give harder ones. I have some hard questions here.
Or they give you hard one
They'll give
also?
some, yes,
Oh,
on like the highest level. This is attached, so
okay. I can give you as hard as possible depending on, yeah. But if you can just let me know
okay, yeah,
which
try to
type of
give
questions,
some
yeah.
hard type of questions.
Yeah.
Because we did a similar one as what you taught me last time. You
Okay.
taught me last time a hard one, type of question. But then it wasn't exactly the same, so I got a bit confused, and that's the question I got half wrong in my
Okay.
test. Yeah. Okay, so um the second question, or question 2, is x equal to 40, right?
Mm, oh, one second. So it's 6x and 3x equals. So let me take it just one second. Now you can do.
Oh, was that 80?
Yeah, I changed it.
Oh, okay, I wrote it at 60. That's
No,
why.
yeah, it was 60 and I changed it to 18.
So x equal to 60 then.
Hmm. No, not 60. It's first of all, what is the equation?
It's
2x
2x plus 20
hmm,
plus 4x equal to 3x plus 80.
correct.
No. Wait. No. I did this wrong. Never mind. Wait. 3x equal to 60. So x equal to 20.
Correct.
Yes. That's where I went wrong. Okay, so
Okay, I'll write one more question.
question
Have
3
you
though.
okay? Question number 3.
Question 3 I'm a bit stuck.
You want to solve? Okay. 35.
Is x a negative number
One sec.
in that question?
It's minus 3. So minus 3 into 4 will be minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 5 will be plus 15. Now when I take it this side, it will become 12x minus 12. It will become plus 12x minus 10x. And 15 minus 35. Okay. So 2x equals to minus 20. So x equals to, yeah, minus 10.
Yeah, that's why I got confused. I didn't know if it was going to be a negative number or not.
Okay, it can be. Okay. Have you copied this? Shall I come to the next page?
Yes, but wait 1 minute. No, 1 minute. So wait, but on 12x, the line where it says 12x minus 10x equals to, or on the second line it says negative 12x.
Yeah, when it comes to
Yes.
this, when it comes to the left side.
Yes. Yes, so 2x. Yes, okay. And then negative 20.
Can I delete this?
Yes, you can delete it now.
Okay. So, okay, I'll give you one question, little bit tough, not very tough. It is the beginning question of your next class, the next level, grade 9, I think. In year 9, there is a chapter called Simultaneous Equations. So, but it is a easy, I mean, it's a easy question for them. It's a tough question for, little tough, not very tough. So I think it may come in your class. Like y equal to 3x. So just in place of y, I'll put 3x. So it's easy. Did you get it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So okay, one question I can give you at the same time. Now y equals to say 4x and 2x plus y equals to 12. Okay, you can solve this question.
Okay. But, just so x equal to 2 and the question 2. Question 3. Question 3, x is also equal to 2.
Yeah, correct. So now we can do the questions from your this one exercises. Okay.
Okay. Uh, I had it here. Wait, let me just find it.
I can see some questions of triangle.
Yes, it was question of triangle question. Chapter 2.3. Triangle type question.
And I cannot see 2.3, but I can see, like, I think maybe the page numbers.
Or wait, I'll give you the question. So it's a scalene triangle, like one of those that have each side different measurement.
You're writing? Are you right?
Okay, wait, I can write. Yeah. So um, yeah, it is different. So x 8 x what? Ugh. So 3x plus 1. Oh no, this is not hard. You have to write an expression for the perimeter of the triangle. So it's not that
Oh,
hard.
that's so simple. For you, but
Yes,
you
yeah,
should
yeah.
you should know the
I didn't read the question first. First, I thought it was the area, and then I got a bit confused. Might as well
perimeter.
do that.
Perimeter is, yeah. Perimeter means what? Length
No,
of the
it's
boundary.
this is a 3,
Yeah. Okay. Whatever. So the
not 8.
the concept is more important. Perimeter means total length of the boundary. So this plus this plus this.
Yeah, I realized that after.
Anything else?
Um, Wait, let me find some of the harder questions in my book. So, mm,
I think you. Okay, you were saying that you want to revise the previous chapters.
yeah, it'll be better. We do that instead.
Okay. Can you start?
Or are you gonna find the questions or me?
Oh, I don't know which chapters you have. You mean by previous chapters? So you can.
No, any of the chapters that my dad sent you.
Oh, that we are already doing.
Yeah, but now we're doing more equations. There's also expressions.
Okay. Okay. Acha,
Yes.
expression with bracket. We did already 2 times. I think that was the previous test was on expression with bracket.
Yeah, but that was like a mini test
Okay.
just to see if you're like if you pass or fail in that subject. Now it's on higher level.
Okay. Okay. Actually. Mm-hmm. Then this is the question. This. Okay. Which question would you like me to do?
Any of the red questions maybe.
What do you mean by red one? This.
Like some questions are in blue, some questions are in green, and some questions in red.
Yeah, but
Yeah, but I want you to do the blue ones.
do you mean page?
I mean the red ones.
Page number 20. Is it 20 to 50?
For
Algebra?
example,
Is it?
maybe something from page number 62. I don't know if you can see that page.
I cannot see the page number.
Page number 62.
The gold coins?
Wait, the gold coins.
62. Is this the first page?
Next page, right after the gold coins.
Oh, that there are cubes.
Yes,
One,
yes, yes.
1, 2 plus 4, 5, 3.
Yes.
Okay. So.
Maybe one of those type of questions.
So, can you read the first question? 15th question. Question number 15. It starts from question number 15, right?
Yes.
Can you read it? I cannot read. So.
Okay, so it's 6 times
That I can do.
3x
Oh, that I
plus
can
5.
read. I'm before that something is written.
Oh, it's just simplify the expression.
Simplify. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can you press the delete button?
Okay.
Okay, that's fine. So, second. You want me to do it here itself? That's also okay. So, 6 into 3x plus 5 plus 7 into 2x minus 4. Would you like to try this? Would you like to do this? It's easy.
Yeah, I can do this. So, let me just do it in my book. Um. Okay, so the answer for this question is 32x minus 23.
18 plus 14. What did you say? Can you repeat?
32x plus no, minus 23.
32x is correct, but plus 2 will be the answer. 30 minus 28 is plus 2.
Plus 2.
6 5 are 30. And 7 into minus 4 is minus 28.
Oh, yes. I forgot to multiply 6 times 5. I just wrote the 5 instead of multiplying the 6. Yeah, that's what I meant.
You can do some more questions. One more question of this type.
So, same question.
Yeah, you can do same type one more question. Then you can also do some maybe two. I mean, randomly you can do some questions, 3 to 4 5 questions from the same page.
Wait, we did this last time before, so can we maybe do something else? Yeah, because we did it like when we're.
So you're comfortable here?
Yes.
Now what to do? What should I do? Should I give you some? You want me to give you questions from outside your textbook? What do you want, Aaron? You want me to? Is it over your textbook? All questions are over. All types. Is it only 2 chapters? Equations and expression with bracket. Only 2 chapters are coming in your test.
No, I mean, there is. Yeah, it's expressions and
Equations.
equations.
Algebra.
But there's also word problem equations.
Oh, that will be very tough. So not very tough, but you need practice. So where is what I could not see in your whatever pages. Let's see. Do you have it in your pages, or shall I give you from my side? Is it
I think I sent it to you.
I'll just check.
It's one of the last pages, I think.
Okay. That bicycle. Person with a bicycle.
Right.
Or
Yeah.
it's beans and
Yes.
bicycle.
Yes.
Okay, but okay. I cannot read it. You have to read it for me.
Yes.
Question number 16.
So, question number 16.
A cyclist.
A cyclist cycled 180 kilometers in 5 days.
One second. I'll write down. 180 kilometers in in 5 days. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Is it upward?
every day.
Is it upwards or normal?
What?
Okay. Did you say okay? Cyclist rides 180 kilometers in 5 days. Yeah, it's not up or down, something like that. Okay. Anyways, yeah.
No, no.
After that,
So after that, uh, so every day he cycled 5 kilometers longer than the day before. How long did the cyclist cycle the last day?
oh, that's pretty tough. I mean, for you. So, but not very tough also. If you first day he cycled 5 kilometer. Okay. Second day, what he says, cyclist. Can you read the second line again? Cycles 5 kilometer more than the previous day.
Yeah, he cycled 5 kilometers more than the previous day.
Okay.
Every day he cycled 5 kilometers more than the previous day.
Okay.
So, for example, if he
So
cycles 5 kilometers the first day, he'll cycle
no, no,
five
no,
more
no, no,
kilometers.
no. Okay, I don't know how many kilometers he cycled on the first day. Let me take it as x. So next day I know x plus 5. Third day x plus 5 plus 5, x plus 10. Correct.
Yeah.
Fourth day x plus 15. Fifth day x plus 20. Correct. Did you understand?
Yes.
Now total is how much? 180.
Yes, 180.
So x plus x plus x 5 times 5x. 15 plus 15, 30 plus 20, 50. So first day, how much? What is saying? Find out what is last line? What we have to find out?
Find out how much he cycled the last day.
Okay, last day is x plus 20. So fifth day x plus 20. So 26 plus 20, 46. Is it correct?
Uh,
Do you have answers?
yes, I do. Wait, so last day, how much did he cycle?
46.
46. So here it says question 16. Yeah, 46. Yes, correct.
So you just have to imagine the whole thing and go step by step, write down everything. First day x kilometer, second day x plus 5,
Yeah.
third, like that. And just add, I know, total 180 kilometers, 5 days.
Okay.
Any doubts?
No.
Okay. Eh, yeah. Can you do all the word problems? Because word problems are pretty tough. You cannot miss even one single word problem. You cannot afford to. Every word problem is a different question.
No, I think they're all like.
Can I give you the screen?
What?
Can I give you the screen?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So question 17 is the sum of. Wait. So the sum of 4 consecutive odd numbers is 456. Which numbers are they?
Okay. Try yourself first. Write down.
Okay,
What do you
so
mean by odd numbers? What do you mean by consecutive odd numbers?
well, first number is x. Second number is x. X plus 2.
Perfect.
Third number is x plus 4.
How are you seeing some notes or like how do you know?
No, I'm doing it all along the way.
Okay, good.
So x plus 8. Then yeah, and that equal to 456. So x or 4x plus 14 equal to okay, so 4 equal to 442. So x is equal to wait, did I do that correct? Did I do that correct?
Okay. X plus 2. X is an odd number.
Then it's, wait, x is
X plus 2.
110.5.
4x plus.
But how does that work?
No, how can it be in decimal? How can it be in decimal?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure.
Uh, there's this mistake here. One second.
Wait, let me check the answer, what it says here. So question 17, it says 111, 113, 115, and 117.
Okay. First of all,
So we're 0.5
if
away.
if you have to take odd number, like I know that 2n will be even always, correct? 2n is always even number. Similarly,
Yeah.
2n plus 1 and 2n minus 1 are odd numbers always. Okay, and if I go further, 2n plus 2n plus 3 will also be an odd number, and 2n minus 3 will also be odd number. Correct? Now problem with this, what you took was the sum of 4 consecutive even number may be also 456 or something. So, but it is not necessary that that was an odd number, but this is compulsory that what I took is an odd number. Okay, so, and these are consecutive numbers, so if you just add all this and put it equal to 456, so you get 8n. The benefit of adding all is minus 3 plus 3 get cancelled, plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. I could have also taken 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3, 2n plus 5 and 2n plus 7, but that would have increased my calculation. You getting, Aaron? Hello?
So
Are you getting what I'm saying?
2n plus 3.
I can, if I have to take 4 consecutive odd numbers, either I can take this or I can take this, but I have taken this to save the calculation. So 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3 and 2n minus 3. So when I add all, this plus 1 minus 1 plus 3 minus 3 get cancelled, 8 equal to 456. So I get n equals to 5, 8 5 is 40, 8 7 56. So n is 57. So the first number will be 2n plus 3. So that will be 114, 117. Okay, 2n plus 1. So what will be 2n plus 1? 115. Understood? So by default next number will be 113 and 111. Have you understood? The problem with your solution was there is a slight mistake. When you take x plus 2, these are any consecutive, either odd or even numbers. The sum may be 456, but in my case it is odd number, it cannot be even. I know 2n is always even and 2n plus 1 is always odd, correct?
Yeah.
So now I could have assumed it anyway, so I took a shortcut. I took 4 consecutive odd numbers as 2n minus 3, 2n plus 2n minus 3, 2n minus 1, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 3. Yeah. Can you do the next question?
Okay.
What problem?
Question 18. Did you question 18?
Yeah. You have to read it out.
So, how big, what's the perimeter? No, how big perimeter does rectangle A and B have if they have the same area?
Yeah, just do it. Same area. Area means length into breadth. So 6 into x plus 8 equals to 4 into 3x minus 12.
I'm confused.
Okay, I'll do it. Have you copied this?
Yes.
Can you press delete button? Area of A equals to area of B, correct? What is
Yes.
the formula for area? Length into breadth. 6 into x plus 8. 4 into 3x minus 12. So 12x minus 6x. 48 plus 48. Got it? What they told to find out? What they have told to find out? Perimeter.
What's the perimeter of
A and B.
Yes.
So perimeter of A will be 6 plus x plus 8. 2 into L plus B. 2 into 6 plus 6 plus 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is how much?
24.
Yeah, so 6 plus 24. 60. Understood? Similarly, you can do for B.
What? Sorry?
Similarly, you can find out the perimeter of B. The sides of B are 4 and 3x minus 12. So you can find out the perimeter 48 minus 12. 36, 40, 80. Understood?
Yeah.
So I give you 5 minutes, 10 minutes time. So you can do 19, 20 and 21 on your own. Try out.
Okay.
Okay. And at the end of the 3 questions, I'll explain all 3. Not in between. So I'll give you 10 minutes. Try out all 3. Apply a little more stress on your brain and try to do it on your own. Because once you do it on your own, that will build up the confidence. Okay?
Wait, have you started screen sharing?
Yeah. Can you
Because we're just mirroring it.
have you copied this page? Have you copied?
Wait, I just had my pencil here. My pencil. Yeah.
You are now muted. You are now unmuted.
Okay, you can try out. Would you do it on the screen?
Which? Oh, was I supposed to copy the question?
What?
Oh no, right. I have the questions here. I forgot. Never mind.
19, 20 and 21.
Yes. I'm gonna do it in my
You are now
book
muted.
first.
You are now unmuted.
Yeah, you can do first in your notebook, then on the screen. Okay.
Okay.
You are now muted. You are now unmuted.
Aaron, you're doing?
What's the second question? The 19. Obviously, because we did this kind of question in class, but I don't remember really how to do it.
Okay, I'll tell you, no problem.
So the question is like, in a dog daycare, there are 20 people and dogs totally, and 68 legs. So how many dogs are there?
One second. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay, can you read it again?
So in a dog daycare, there are totally 20 people, totally 20 people and dogs, and there are 68 legs. How many dogs are there?
20 people and dogs.
Totally. So not 20 each, but like
20,
totally.
is it written 20 people and dogs? Or 20
Yes.
dogs? 20 people and dogs.
Yeah, totally there's 20 people and dogs.
No, how can people be a dog? 20 can you read the exact slowly? Yeah, exact question.
So there are 20
Hmm.
living creatures, let's say.
Okay, like that.
Some of them are dogs and some of them are
Okay.
people.
So let's say there are X humans and Y dogs. So we know that X plus Y is 20 living creatures. Okay. Now we know that humans have 2 legs. So 2
Yes.
into X. And dogs have 4 legs. So 4 into Y. Total there are 68. Correct?
Yeah, 68 legs.
Yeah. So if I multiply the equation 1, multiply equation 1. Now actually it is a question from your, not ideally it is not from your syllabus. It's I said it's a question from simultaneous equation, which is a chapter in your senior class. It's year next, maybe year 9. Okay, but just for the sake of making it tough, they have given you the question of year 9.
Yeah, this is the red question, so it's hard question.
It's, I would not say it's hard, but it's just the question of year 9, that's all. So there are 14 dogs, and if I put it in the equation, so I get x equals to 20 minus 14. 6 men. Can you cross check, is it correct?
Uh,
6 and 14.
I don't really get how you did it from 68. How did it become 40?
No, first of all, is the answer correct? 6 and 14?
Oh, wait, let me just check. Question 19. 14 dogs.
What was the question asking? 14, right?
How many dogs are there?
14 is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, 14 dogs, 6 humans. So, okay. So, how do I explain it? Um, there are some dogs and some humans. We don't know how many dogs, how many humans. So, in mathematics, whenever I
Yeah.
don't know anything, I assume it x or y. So, I assume there are x humans and y dogs. So, first part is clear, the assuming.
Yes.
Hmm. Now it says there are 20 total living creatures. So there are four, let's say, there are 20 x humans and there are y dogs. So x plus y is 20. Okay. The
Yes.
second line says that um, total legs is 68. Now humans have two legs. So one human has two legs. So x humans will have 2x legs. And one dog has four legs, so y dogs will have four y legs.
Wolves. Yes.
Now second part is solving the simultaneous equation. How do we solve? By substitution, either you can put the value of x from one equation into another, or you can just equate the coefficient. So I equated the coefficient 2x. I multiply equation 1 by 2 so that it becomes 2x. What will happen when I subtract? The 2x will get cancelled, so I'll get the value of y. I can easily find out. Understood?
I got confused halfway in. Um,
Which part did you not
how did you get
understand?
from 2x plus 4y? How did you get it to 2x plus 2y?
Oh, no, that is the first equation. 2x plus 4y is the second equation. X plus y equals to 20 is the first equation. I multiply the first equation by 2. I have written there multiplying equation 1 by 2. Did you understand? And why I am
Yeah.
multiplying?
Okay.
My goal is to make this 2x. It is x right now. My goal is to make 2x, because when it becomes 2x,
Yeah, so you doubled it.
this is
And
x, this
then,
is x, so I'll make this 2x.
so,
So when this is 2x, when I subtract, this will get cancelled. So when my main goal is in two variable to remove one variable, so that I can solve it.
okay, so, mm, so 2. Okay, and then after 2x plus 2y equals 40, what did you do?
After 2x plus 2y equals to 40,
Yes.
I subtracted equation 1, equation 2 minus equation 3. Equation 2 minus equation 3. 2x will get cancelled out. 4y minus 2y will be 2y. 68 minus 40 will be 28.
Okay, so, mm,
You want me to do 20 and 21 also?
wait, Okay, yeah. Can do it.
You will try 2021 or you want me to try?
Can you do it?
Okay, can you read out?
So, 20 is...
Have you copied this? Shall I delete this page?
No, 1 minute. I forgot to copy it. So, 2.
Copied?
No, 1 minute. I forgot to copy it.
Take a screenshot or something.
Okay, I'll take a screenshot. Wait, can you move your mouse? It's blocked.
Yeah.
Take a screenshot. Okay.
So I'll quickly do question number 20 and 21. I wanted to give you some homework. I'll give you some homework also, okay?
Okay.
Okay, read out the question.
Question 20. Okay. So, Ulf, Kaisa, and Johnny are playing tips together. I'm guessing it's a game. They're playing tips together. Ulf bets double as much as Kaisa and Johnny together.
Okay.
Johnny bets 50 kroners less than Kaisa. Together, they've bet 750
Bet
kronor.
means they get. What do you say?
No, bet like
Okay. Bet means means keeping some money.
yeah, like
Okay, let Johnny bet rupee something like X euro and Casa bet
yeah.
Y, correct? And Ulf Z. We know that
Or not necessarily like that, because if Ulf is wait, so Johnny, no, Kaisa can be X. Johnny, no, Johnny can be X, and Kaisa can be X plus 50, because Kaisa spends 50 more than Johnny, so Kaisa and Johnny.
yeah, I was about to write. Okay. And what about this one? It's double whom? Wolf.
Double both of them together. Double the sum.
Okay, double x plus 50. Two x plus 50. 4x plus 100. Correct? Understood? Now what the question says? Total bet is 750 or what?
Oh,
What is 750? What
yeah, total bet, they bet 750.
In India you write ATQ according to the question.
Yeah.
So or better you can write like this. Before that you can write total bet equals to 750, then you can write like this. So 6x plus 150 equals to 750, so 6x equals to 600, x equals to 100. What do you have to find out? What is the last line?
You have to find out how will they like fairly divide 15,450 kroner win. How will they divide that fairly?
What, 450 million?
No, 15,450.
So okay, this is your answer for 750. Okay, now the answer for 15,450, if from 750 to 15,450 I have to multiply by how much? Let me divide and check. 15,450 divided by 750, 20.6, huh? So I have to multiply by 20.6, so it becomes 206 when I multiply this by 20.6. 150 into 20.6, 3090, and 500 into 20.6, 10,300. Is this the answer?
10,000. Yes, Ulf gets 10,300.
So it was a pretty tough question from your level of grade. It was not justified, but what can we do? I'll try to explain it. You already know the first part. Okay, I got the value for Johnny, Kalsa, Ulf. I got the value of x basically. I put it in Johnny, Kalsa, Ulf. I get Johnny x, and this is x plus 50, and this is 4x plus 100. So I got Johnny, Kalsa, Ulf as 100, 150, and 500 pounds. Clear? If total bet is 750.
6 plus 150 equal to 750. So
Understood?
equal to wait, 106 so x equal to 100. Johnny is x, okay, and then x plus 50, y plus 50. Yes.
So
X.
this is for 750. Now the question says how do you divide it for 15,450? So from 750 to 15,450, if I have to go, I divide 15,450 by 750, I get 20.6. It means that I have to multiply by 20.6. So it means each and everything I have to multiply by 20.6. Understood?
And this is a bit confusing.
Okay, what I will repeat. For 750, this is the division 100, 150, 500. Have you understood till this here?
Wait,
No?
just
Have you got the value of x 100? Have you understood till here?
yes.
Okay, you got the value of x. Now when I put the value of x back in the starting lines, starting three lines, I get the value for how much Johnny betted Khatsa and Ulf. Johnny x, Khatsa x plus 15, Ulf 4x plus 100. So when you put it at 100, the value of x is 100 here. You get 100, 150, 500, correct?
Yes.
So once you get that, so it means when I divide 750, so this is the partition Johnny, Khasa, Ulf. But the question says, what if you divide 15, 450 into partitions? So these three. So my point is, the shortcut is that from 750 to 15, 450, if I have to go, I have to multiply by 20.16, correct? 20.6. How do I know that? I'll divide 15,450 by 750 using calculator. 15,450 upon 750 is how much? 20.6. Correct? Are you getting? Okay, I'll tell you a shortcut. Forget this. This is very complicated. Just after you have got this, have you got till here?
Wait, no. So X is 100. That's Johnny.
Yeah.
Then Kai said 50 more. 100. Yeah, 50 more. That became 150. Then to
Olf is when you add both
then
and
to get
multiply
it.
by 2.
Yes. This part was confusing me because
You got this right?
I
100,
understood that X. Yeah. Yes, I
you got
understood.
you got 100, 150, 500 till here you got? Till here have you?
Yes.
Yeah. Now in second part, just you have to do the question again. In place of 750, write 15,450. Take it as another question. Think that now this is a second question. In place of 750, you have 15,450. Do the same thing. In every line, just you have to write 15,450. Okay? So it becomes 15,450 minus 150, 15,300. 15,300 upon 6. You get 6 to the 12. 33. 6 5 the 30. 6 5 the 30. 2 5 5. You get x value as 2 5. Some mistake is there. Okay, I think that much is enough. I'll give you some questions from. Do you want me to give the equation questions? Can I give you some homework?
Okay.
Okay, just 1 second. We already 8 minutes ahead, no issue. Just 1-2 minutes more. You can take a screenshot. I'll give you some homework. Okay. Shall I give you solved questions or unsolved? When is your test?
My test is tomorrow actually.
Okay, I'll give you then solved questions so that if you don't know the answer, then you can see the solutions.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, take a screenshot right now.
Okay,
Example. Have you taken a screenshot?
no, I was going to, and then you moved the page.
One
Okay,
second.
so
1 second. Yeah, you can take now. Example 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, example 2, 3, 4, and 5 you can do. Okay.
okay,
Okay, we'll go to this.
copy them. Okay.
Okay. I don't. This is like ideally we should not do these questions in the last day. These are very rare questions. I
Okay.
mean, because it's like demotivating. So first you should do all other questions, and when you have time and when you're confident and okay, you can copy, take a screenshot here. This is easy questions. These are the type of questions which will come in your exam.
Okay. Yeah, I'm taking a screenshot.
I'm searching for some word problems. Ah. Okay, can you take a screenshot? Don't do all the questions, whichever is easy one. These are a bit tough. Okay. Whichever you find easy.
Okay.
Okay, one more time. You can take a screenshot.
No, I took it. Or
One more time. Done?
wait. One. Okay.
Okay. Don't do this streamer questions, downstream, upstream. Don't do these questions, okay?
Okay.
And even if you are not able to do, then don't do this distance question, also distance, speed, and all. Right now. You can do
Okay.
this chocolate and denominator. Maybe I don't know. Just go through them. These are actually not your level questions. You should not do them, but just go through them. If you are, I mean, you see, these are the last priority. Actually, this is not in your syllabus. Okay.
Okay.
You can do those, the easy ones. I give you one screenshot, right? Some normal like P is subtracted, 6 is subtracted from P, and those one line questions, which are, yeah, these kind of. Okay. So that's it for today. So
Okay.
first do the questions as the normal questions, and at the end when you have time, just go through them.
Yeah.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.